my students, your students, Maryland's students. My wonderful but often disenfranchised students deserve better because all of Maryland's students deserve better.
You've heard about compromised students. We know that students are a compromised population. I know that firsthand. I really didn't have too much of an issue until my son was born with significant disability and medical complications. I was working with the Human Service Organization, and it was at the urging of my directors that they said, you need to go back to school. You're never going to get out of this situation without it. And I did, and it was at Hartford Community College that I got the skills and the foundation and the academic education to be able to better my life, to better my son's life.
Please do not cut funding to education. Let us continue to support our students and the mission of our college to respond to the needs of our diverse community by offering high quality, affordable, accessible, and innovative lifelong learning opportunities.